going to be doing a color game. I'm going to be throwing the ball, and Jeremy's going to be putting it in the right color. Ready, Jeremy? Okay. Put the ball in the pink bucket. Good job. Now move back. Put the ball in the red bucket. Good job. Throw it back. Put the ball in the blue bucket. Good job. Throw it back. Put the ball in the gray bucket. Good job. Doing fine.
Welcome back, everyone. Ms. Athena is here to read you a story. We're going to read more, said the baby. This is the story of Little Guy. This is Little Guy. Little Guy runs away so fast, Little Guy's daddy has to run like anything just to catch that baby up. But Little Guy's daddy catches that baby up all right. He throws that baby high and swings that baby all around. Oh, you're a great little guy, Little Guy's daddy says to Little Guy. Just look at you, with your perfect belly button, right in the middle of your fat little belly. Then Little Guy's daddy brings that baby right up close and gives that little guy's belly a kiss right in the middle of the belly button. More, laughs Little Guy. More. Now this is Little Pumpkin. Little Pumpkin scoots away so fast, Little Pumpkin's grandma has to run like anything just to catch that baby up. But Little Pumpkin's grandma catches that baby up all right. She holds that baby nose to nose and swings that baby all around. Oh my, best little grandbaby, Little Pumpkin's grandma sings to Little Pumpkin. Just look at you with your 10 little toes, right on the ends of your 2 little feet. Good enough to eat. Then Little Pumpkin's grandma brings that baby right up close and tastes each of Little Pumpkin's toes. More, laughs Little Pumpkin. More. Now here comes Little Bird. Little Bird falls asleep so fast. Little Bird's mama has to move like anything just to catch that baby up. But Little Bird's mama lifts that baby in her arms all right. She rocks that baby back and forth. And gets that baby ready to bed. Oh my, best little baby, Little Bird's mama sings to Little Bird. Just look at you with your 2 little closed eyes, right on either side of your neat little nose. Then Little Bird's mama brings that baby right up close. She gives that little bird a kiss right on each of her little eyes. Breathes Little Bird.
Hi everyone from 118A. So today we're going to be doing some ice painting. I grabbed a cup of ice. I have some paper, whichever paper you can find. I grabbed a paintbrush, whatever I had on hand, and then paint. I have blue, red, and yellow. So, adjust this. onto there. I'm going to put some ice paint. Well, I'll put some paint. Do some blue, yellow, and red. And you can use whatever colors you have on hand. You can even use some food coloring if you have food coloring at home. And then just put some ice on there, and you can have your toddler just bring that ice around and the paint. I know a lot of the kids in my class, they love doing this project when we were in the daycare. It's fun. The ice that melts a little. Makes a funky color. But it's easy for the toddlers to do. 2-year-olds, 3-year-olds. And you can let them do it for however long you want to let them do it for. The ice, it'll start melting. So. You can even be more creative and go outside and grab a cup of snow and put some paint on a piece of paper and have them do this with the snow. They can even paint the snow. We've done that. We put some snow in a bucket and we put some food coloring on it, and they played and tried to build little snowmans. And there you go. And right in there, and that's it. Ta-da! I hope you guys enjoy this with your little ones. It's a nice, fun, and fast activity that you guys can enjoy with, your family. And if you have other kids in the family, you can enjoy this with them. All right, until next time. Bye.